This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Michael Hindle. Updated 3-bed 2.5-bath with den/office currently being used as a 4th bedroom. Newer roof, AC tiled floors, impact windows, fireplace island, vaulted ceilings, open spacious floor plans, side entry, 2-car garage, double door front entry, large master, quiet street, excellent location, corner lot. Your buyers will love this home. For more information, review the details below or contact Michael Hindle at 954-655-6447.